So one of our most underappreciated content area, unique needs is math. There's not a lot of off-the-shelf programs that are alternative or that can really help students learn differently, much like there are with reading. And in our 22 years of experience, many teachers, including special education teachers, will tell you that, oh, math's not my thing, or, I can get to about 4th or 5th grade math. And that's something that we've really been able to lean into. So our multisensory math instruction, we are hunting down alternative math products and alternative math strategies on the daily, because we want to be relevant there too. We want, if you're going to say, well, this kid's reading is great, what we're really struggling with is his math, we have to be just as good in our consultation and our professional development with math. So our multisensory math and our math problem-solving workshops, we just brought in a new team member who's a math guru, and I'm really excited to get her perspective because she's deep in that, that math ability. We're deep in the problem solvability. She's got the content in math that can really help us. So we're excited to bring math workshops into our repertoire.